Do you remember how long it used to take to transfer money overseas? How much hassle just for a 10-minute transaction? Or how long you had to wait for the funds to be transferred to the other account? Well, that's a thing of the past now. With M2U Visa Direct, you can now transfer funds across 200 countries to any Visa, credit, debit or prepaid card directly from your Maybank savings or current account, and all you need is online access and 2 minutes. Aisha here has a friend coming from Paris for a holiday, and she's been eyeing those limited edition French sneakers for quite some time. So when she heard about a 60% discount happening just 2 weeks before her friend arrives, she quickly transfers funds to her friend's Visa Debit Card using M2U Visa Direct immediately. So she could get those long-awaited limited edition sneakers just as her friend gets here. So you see how easy banking across countries can be now? Sign up today with M2U's Visa Direct and you can transfer funds to any Visa cards with ease.